TMP Dashboard. The TMP Dashboard is the main workspace for creating, tracking, reviewing, and invoicing traffic management plans. Users can access active TMPs, completed TMP libraries, invoicing queues, and TMP registration tools from one central page. The dashboard also provides quick statistics for approvals, overdue jobs, open queries, invoicing status, and running timers. Advanced filters help users search TMPs by client, location, status, expiry dates, and priority. Create/register TMP. This workflow allows users to register uploaded TMPs or externally created TMPs into the system. The process captures request details, uploads documents, stores portal references, and moves the TMP through approval and review stages without duplicate data entry. TMP Overview. The Overview tab provides a high-level summary of the TMP. It displays project status, priority, planner ownership, target dates, readiness progress, workflow activity, and project details. Users can also review program timelines, location summaries, affected road users, and request information in one place. Intake Workspace. The Intake section captures the core project setup information for the TMP. Users can enter client details, work categories, road environments, traffic impacts, program windows, and approval pathways. An integrated map allows planners to place start and end points for work sites and manage route summaries. Files Workspace. The Files tab is used to upload and organize TMP-related documents. Users can manage intake files, approved TMP packs, approval documents, and query response files through drag-and-drop upload areas. The system also stores approved TMP packs inside organized library folders for future access. Submission Tracking. The Submission tab tracks TMP submission progress and approval information. Users can record portal references, approval numbers, pack versions, issue dates, expiry dates, and submission notes. This creates a clear history of submissions, revisions, and approval workflows. Billing/invoice/timer tracker. This section manages time tracking, billing, and invoicing for TMP projects. Users can run live work timers, add billing charges, assign client pricing, and track pending invoice totals. The invoicing workflow helps move TMPs through stages such as not ready to invoice,